Our Optoelectronics Technology Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise focusing on high-end LED package. Established in 2008, Ledestar owns 7,000 square meters dust-free workshop with 80 complete production lines, including die bonding, wire bond, glue dispensing, bin splitting, as well as tape loading, located in Dongguan City. Our main products include SMD LED 30/30, 35/35, 50/50, 28/35, and COB LED chip. All these products have been widely applied in horticultural light, sterilization light, commercial light, as well as appliances globally. We are especially prominent in the field of horticultural lighting application. Ledestar provides customized and professional for plant growing LED chip solution with high PPE and low cost. Ledestar executes strict quality control in every step, from the raw materials to technological design and to the production. The full series of products was certificated by LM80, ROSE, REACH, EN 62471. Ledestar has super powerful team of R&D, production, sales, as well as QC departments. With the core value dedicated service for customers' success, we will repay customers' trust with sincerity, enthusiasm, and efforts. We will strive to be a leading international LED production base. Welcome to join us to realize the dream that everybody can afford LED products and enjoy low carbon and green life. We'd like to be your perfect choice.